Dear learners, how are you feeling today? Hope feeling good and doing well. Come on, let us discuss about relation and functions, part 6, grade 11 mathematics. Function, a special type of relation called functions. Look at this diagram. Cartesian product, then relation, then function. Definition of the function. A relation f between two non-empty sets x and y is called a function from x to y. If each x belongs to x and y belongs to y. A function is also called a mapping or transformation. Every function is a relation. Remember, every function is a relation. But every relation is not a function. Functions are subset of relations. Relations are subset of Cartesian product. At the same time, we can say functions are also subset of Cartesian product. If a to b is a function, then set A is called the domain of the function. Set A is called domain of the function. Set B is called codomain of the function. Okay, look at this arrow diagram. Here relation is given already. Element set A is mapped with set B. Each element mapped with to a single element B. So here 2 is image of 1, 4 is image of 2, 6 is image of 3, 8 is image of 4. Vice versa. 1 is pre-image 2, 2 is pre-image 4. Likewise. Look at here. The same diagram. Here we say that each element in set A is mapped with set B to single element. That's why it is a function. Domain F, we can say 1, 2, 3, 4. Codomain is 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. But range is 2, 4, 6, 8. That's why it is a function. Look at this diagram. So each element in domain has only one image. Only one image. That's why this is a function. Each input corresponds to one single input. Look at this diagram also. Each input corresponds to a single input. So set A is mapped to a single element. It is a function. Okay. Here you see. This is not a function. B has two outputs. B has two images. Y and Z. That's why it is not a function. Look at this. Here, this is not a function because domain 4 does not have any image. Each element should have one image. So this is also not a function because one has two images, A and B. Isn't it? One is mapped with A and B. That's why it is not a function. So the range of a function is a subset of its domain. Always range of a function is subset of its codomain, not domain, codomain. A function with a function domain is also either or a subset of or. It is called real function. Okay. Look at identity function. We will see now type of functions. This is identity function. When y equal to x, we get graph like this. When x value and y value same, then identity function will get. When y value is always constant, look at x values are different, y value is always constant, then this is constant function. Polynomial function. Polynomial means quadratic polynomial, cubic polynomial. Likewise, we will get polynomial function. So this is polynomial function, x square. This is x cube, polynomial function, x cube, quadratic polynomial. So we will get graph like this. This is rational function. Rational function means p by q. Q should not be equal to 0. Likewise here, f of x equal to 1 by x. Based on 1 by x, we have drawn a graph like this. We get graph like this. Modulus function. Modulus function means y always positive. X can be negative or positive, but y always positive. So we get graph like this. You see, signum function. Signum function means x value 0 means y also 0. But x, if it is greater than 0 means y will be 1. If x is less than 0 means y will be minus 1. Like this. Then greater integer function. It has, so when x value based on it between whatever 0 to minus 1, which is the greatest one, minus 1. Likewise we have to choose. Now we'll see that operations of functions. So this is addition of two real functions. It will be like this. This is subtraction of two real functions. It will be f minus g of x is equal to f of x minus g of x. The same way, multiplication. Multiplication by a scalar. So any number when you multiply with the function will be like this. So here alpha is the scalar. So we get like this. So multiplication of two real functions will be like this. F of x times g of x. X belongs to set x. The same way, quotient of two real functions. The quotient of f by g denoted by like this. F by g of x equal to f of x by g of x. So g of x should not be equal to 0. Hope you like this video. For more video, you can subscribe this channel. Till then, thank you. Bye bye.